All right, so what we've got going on here is I am trying to take this number 1 right here and then this one, and instead of when you tap it moves 1 pixel, I'm trying to set it to like 5 or whatever number, and it applies to both red and blue. And then here I'm adding an on like move function that's generic, so it can be applied to any color. And it's like, since they're both based around red percentage, I go ahead and check, is it red? Then multiply by 1. If not, multiply by -1. And that determines the direction. Oh, there is a bug there. So that's good and that works. And then right now I'm trying to make the shift of red and blue smoother. So right now it's like going in chunks. So I'm trying to add a transition. And it's not really working out for me. Trying to set the duration, kind of scraping the bottom of the barrel here. Not doing things in the spirit of Tailwind. Just kind of like hacking through it. I'm also trying to utilize height directly, because utilizing the percentage with the grid up here is it's not working out for the transition stuff. So I'm checking if height is an acceptable property for the transition props, and it is. And I go ahead and I have it almost identical for both red and blue. I'm getting some weird stuff because something I'll mention in a sec. I'm going to convert these to absolutes. I'm going to have one be the red percentage, and then the blue will be the complement to the red percentage. So that's good. That looks good. And then now I'm going to go ahead and make both of those styles into a function called color style. And it'll take in the height number that it's going to be forced to. And that way I can put other things in this little props here. And I apply them to both. One is red percentage, the other is 100 minus red percentage, so the complement. And then I go ahead and make it CSS properties right here. So that way I get IntelliSense when I try to type other things into the style object, like duration right there. But then I'm gonna like unwind that, and I'm gonna actually instead opt in favor of something more native to Tailwind, which would be like transition properties and transition duration. So I grabbed I think it's the 300, and that looks good. So then I'm gonna clean this stuff up. I'm gonna apply it, and then I'm gonna clean it up and get it out of